Hello children. See, just because the length of the videos must not be very large, no, because I can't send it, I can't, upload it. Therefore, that is why I am doing like this. Now, turn the page of your book. You have got another example there, huh? Now, just now you saw a square and a rectangle, huh? They cannot be similar because they are having different shapes. They are having different shapes. Different shapes won't do for similarity. Two similar figures means they must have same shape, different size. Same shape, different size. Okay? So that point you should never forget. Now come to the next figure. In this figure, what has happened? In the first figure, it's a square. The other one is a rhombus. You observe it properly. 4.2, 4.2, 4.2, 4.2 in PQRS. The sides are equal. Even in this, the sides are equal. 2.1, 2.1, 2.1, 2.1. It's a square of all sides equal. Of course, square means all sides must be equal. A rhombus, you have heard in 9th standard or 8th standard, their sides are all equal. Then what is the trouble then? Why these two figures are not similar? One is their shapes are different. One is that. Okay. Then the condition whether they are following, let us see. The condition you see here, they fail to be similar. Why? Two conditions are what? Their corresponding angles must be equal and the ratio of the corresponding sides must be equal. Now, AB by PQ, 2.1 by 4.2, it is 1 by 2. BC by QR, again 2.1 by 4.2, it is 1 by 2, half. All the four sides, corresponding sides ratio, they are equal. Half, 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 half you are getting. But what you are not getting then, the angles you see, in a square the angles are 90 degrees. Huh? But here the angles are not 90 degrees. In a rhombus, the four angles are not equal to 90 degrees. So there the problem starts. Means they cannot be similar because the corresponding angles are not equal. So in this case, a square and a rhombus also cannot be similar figures. In this figure, a square and a rectangle, they were not similar figures. So the two conditions, out of the two conditions, if one condition they don't satisfy, then they won't be similar at all. If one condition is not there, finished. See, in this, the condition here, the angles were equal in both these figures, the square and a rectangle, angles are equal, but the ratio of the corresponding sides, all four, they were not equal. They were not, all four must be equal. It's not. Okay. And in this figure, what has happened? A square and a rhombus. There, though the sides are having the same ratio, the angles, square has got 90 degrees, all right angles, but here you don't find the angles 90 degrees. That is why these two figures also are not similar figures. Okay, children? So I hope you have understood this point. So now let's come to the exercise 2.1. So thus there is a condition here. So what you must do you have to write in your notes, no? So now about scale factor, you have to just add there. And I have marked here already before only. Now how to this one, I'll just tell you. Similar figures, you'll write the point there. And then you have to draw these figures. Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4. See the page what I am showing. Huh? So in this similar figures, under similar figures, you are having these four figures, no? So you have to draw all that. Don't go to draw Taj Mahal and all, no? I won't ask all that. Then come to this definition. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That definition you should write. Then write about the scale factor. Okay. then don't look at this activity and all, don't, not necessary. Then come to these two set of figures and show why this one is similar. The first, this one ABCD and PQRS is similar. We have just studied now. They are similar because the ratio of the sides are equal. The corresponding angles are also equal in the first figure 2.5. But in figure 2.6, they are not similar. In figure 2.7, they are not similar. Why they are not similar, you have come to know. So you have to write in the book, in your notes. Then either of the above two conditions, 1 and 2, of similarity of two polygons is not sufficient for them to be similar. I told you, don't write exactly whatever they have written in the book. You have understood the things, you must write in your own words. Now exercise 2.1. You have to do this in your classwork book. Okay, children. So I'm going to. That's quite easy. If you want, I'll just fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. If you get any doubt, you have got that solution book. Now all circles are in the bracket. They have written congruent and similar. Okay. Now congruent means circles must be of the same radii. Please try to remember whatever I have done in the first video, second video and all. All circles are congruent. They are not. How can you say? All circles with different radii, they cannot be congruent. Therefore, all circles are similar. That is the answer. Why it is not congruent? You must think. All squares are similar or congruent. Even here the same condition, same thing. All squares means that those squares can be of different side measurement, Measurements might be different. In that case, all squares will be only similar but not congruent. Congruent means the sides must be equal for both the squares. They have just given all squares. So in general it is. So it is not congruent but it is similar. So all dashed triangles are similar, isosceles and equilateral. Out of these two, you will know very well equilateral because I have discussed it in the previous page only. We have done all equilateral triangles. They are similar. Okay. Then two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are dash and their corresponding sides are dash. Equal or proportional, where should go equal, where it should go, and where proportional should go, you know it. Then give two different examples of a pair of similar figures and non-similar figures. Now you can think and easily write. You have got so many examples in the book now. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. These two quadrilaterals, you should say whether they are similar or not. This is also quite simple. I have already taught you now. So let me stop the video now and it is enough for today. Okay. Thank you.